Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys a pentatonic exercise you can actually use to, it's going to help you actually conquer your fretboard easily, right? So very importantly, you can use a metronome. Very importantly, in fact, you must use a metronome practicing this technique, right? It's just a simple exercise. So the idea is to help you conquer your fretboard easily, help you to learn how to play up and down, right? Going up, down easily. So, but we're using this, we're using a pentatonic as a case study for this, right? So, let me play it very slow now. So you see, I went from here down to here in just a few seconds, right? So that is the idea. Right, let me go again slowly. Again. So I'm actually using the slide technique from, right? This slide here. So do re mi sol la, do re mi, right? Do re mi sol la, do re mi. That's the first part. Do re mi sol la, do re mi re. Right, then do, right? Not this do, this do, that do. So do re mi sol la, do re mi re, do la so mi, right? Then re do re mi. This slide there, do re mi. Then sol la do re mi re, then do, right? Again. Yeah. So you see how it sounds, right? Yeah, so just try it out. Use a metronome like I said earlier. It's actually going to help you conquer your fretboard easily. So try it out, yes.